Horns Rev Wind Farm, 12 kilometers off the west coast of Denmark, the largest offshore wind farm in the world. Large wind farms are increasingly sited offshore in shallow coastal waters, and submarine cabling helps harness the power from the environment. Construction of the farm started in May 2002. 10 strings of 8 turbines to provide a combined output of 160 megawatts, enough clean electricity to power a small city. Global Marine Systems Limited, the world's leading submarine cable engineering company, is supporting the offshore renewable energy market as it develops into a key energy production service. At Horns Rev, Global Marine was commissioned to install around 74 kilometers of cable, linking the 10 strings of turbines to a transformer distribution platform.
We've been laying cable between each of the turbine towers. The cable has then been laid and buried to 1.5 meters into the seabed itself. Also included in our scope of work is to hang the cable off at the platform on the towers. This is to open up the cable so that the cable manufacturer can come along behind us and terminate the cables into the actual generators themselves. The main challenges that we've faced are environmental challenges, the need to get the divers in the water and the need to get the people onto the turbine towers themselves so that we can do the pulls onto the towers, and so that we can also open up the cable and hang the cable off for the cable owners. We've overcome this by using a jack-up barge, and the jack-up barge has given us much more stability so that we can carry out diving operations in more adverse weather.
The barge moves carefully between each turbine, laying cable as it goes. The cable is pre-cut to the right length, and as the end of a section is reached, it is lifted off the deck on a quadrant to allow for connection to the turbine. The cable is then pulled through a J-tube at the base of the turbine, and the hang-off operation of the turbine platform prepares it for termination into the generator. One of the diver's jobs is to ensure that the quadrant has been properly released and the cable correctly installed.
Everyone within Global Marine has done their part, and I believe in saying this that we're all proud of the work that we've done to date. It's the first of its type in the world. It's the biggest offshore wind farm that's ever been produced. There have been other prototypes, smaller wind farms in more sheltered regions of the world, but this is in the North Sea, and we're very proud to be able to complete our project work on time, in fact a little bit ahead of schedule.
Applying its 150 years experience of installing and maintaining submarine cables, Global Marine is proud to be part of the pioneering Horns Rev wind farm project. With an increasing number of wind farms being sited offshore, the company has established itself as the market leader in harnessing power from the environment.